Good evening, friends. My name is Mukesh Kumar. I am studying Diploma in Tool Engineering and Digital Manufacturing, third semester at Gannavaram Training Center. Today I am here to present my short talk. My topic is Introduction to Press Tools. In this video, I am going to explain about introduction, types of operation, cutting operation, non-cutting operations, applications. Introduction. Press tools are special tools, custom built to produce a component out of sheet material. Press tools are commonly used in hydraulic, pneumatic, and mechanical presses to produce the sheet metal components in large volumes. Types of press tool operations: cutting operation, non-cutting operation, hybrid operation. Cutting operation: blanking, piercing, cut off, parting off. Blanking. Blanking is a process of producing flash stampings. The entire periphery is cut and cut off piece is called blank. Piercing. It is the operation of making hole in the stamping. Here also the entire periphery is cut and cut piece is waste. Cut off operation. Cut off operation separates the work material along a straight line or angular or irregular in a single cut. No scrap is produced in cut off operation. It is single line cut. Parting off operation. During parting, some scrap is produced. Therefore, parting is the next best method for cutting blanks. In this cut takes on double line. Non-cutting operations: bending, forming, drawing, curling. Bending. It is the shape of material around a straight axis which extends completely across the material. The result is a plane surface at an angle to the original plane of the flat blanked component. We can see flat blank converted to bending. Forming. It is similar to bending except that the line of bend is along a curved axis instead of a straight one. We can see flat blank converted to curved. Drawing. In drawing, a flat blank is transformed into a cup or shell. Shell or cup produced may be cylindrical or rectangular with straight or tapered sides. You can see flat blank transformed to cup or shell shape. Curling. It is an operation of rolling the edges of a sheet metal into a curler roll. It improves the appearance of the piece part. It is also increased strength. We can see the edges are rolled. Applications: automobile parts, roofs, fenders, caps, etc. Components of aircraft parts of business missions. Household appliances. Sheet metal parts of electronic equipments. Precision parts required for homological industry, etc. Thank you.